How to change nickname in Instagram chat. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to change a nickname on Instagram? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the message icon at the top. You will see a list of all the people you have chatted before. Select the chat with person whose nickname you want to change. Tap on their name at the top, then tap on the nicknames option. From here, you can change the nickname for the other person or even for yourself. If you wish to change your own nickname, tap on your own account to edit it. For this tutorial, let's change the nickname for the other person. Tap on their account, then tap on the current nickname to bring up the typing interface. If you haven't set a nickname before, you can set one here, but I have already set it. So first, remove the previous nickname, then add a new one of your choice. I will write dude with a cool emoji. Tap the done option to save the changes. As you can see, the nickname has been successfully changed. Here are some important notes to take away. Nicknames added or changed here will only be displayed within this chat. In other areas like group chats, the actual name or username will show up unless you add a nickname there as well. You can also control who can edit your nickname. Tap on the blue text that says change who can edit your nickname. A menu will appear. Select the Only You option to prevent the other person from changing your nickname. Remember, if you change the nickname, whether for yourself or the other person, they will be notified in the chat. Let me show you. Go back to the chat. As you can see, there is a message at the bottom that says the nickname was changed, confirming that the other person also gets notified. And boom, you have successfully learned how to change a nickname on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.